Hello everybody, welcome to the Maimonides Mitzvah moment, and we're going to be broadcasting from the Starbucks today. Yeshivat Starbucks, L'chaim. Daryl, give us the Mitzvah of the day.
Mitzvah is Kiddush.
Correct. Zachorat Yom HaShabbat L'Kadsho. This is the third and final lesson on this positive Mitzvah to announce Shabbos when it arrives with Kiddush and when it goes with Havdalah. Correct. Now, we mentioned in the last lesson that when it's time for Kiddush on Friday night, you're not supposed to eat any food until you first have Kiddush. Okay. Same thing for Havdalah. Once nightfall on Saturday happens, you shouldn't eat anything until you make Havdalah, and then you can eat. Okay?
Right.
So that's before the Kiddush, but it's interesting that just like you're not supposed to have food before Kiddush, you must have something to eat, like challah or a piece of cake, after Kiddush.
Right.
As a matter of fact, if you're in shul, says the Rambam, and you hear someone make Kiddush, and then you leave without eating anything, then when you get home, you haven't done the mitzvah, you have to make a Kiddush again.
Okay.
In the words of the Rambam, it has to be Kiddush b'makom seudah. The Kiddush has to be done in a place where you then have a meal afterwards. No meal, or at least a snack of like cake or challah, then you haven't performed the mitzvah of Kiddush, and you have to redo it again in a place where you will have a meal. Is that interesting?
I actually understood that one.
You got that one, huh? Okay.
Suda, is it Suda?
Kiddush b'makom seudah, correct.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
That's that. Now, just really quickly, the Rambam explains that when you make Kiddush, you have to do it on wine. So, same thing with Havdalah. If you the minimum grape juice is kosher too for Kiddush and Havdalah. You need to do it in a cup that is the size of a revius, which that's a halakhic measurement. The Rambam said that works out to
it's a couple of ounces. What's a kazayas?
It's the kazayas is a volume of solids, and a revius that is many reviuses.
Okay.
You need it's a couple of ounces.
That's a venti. What's the Hebrew for venti?
I have no idea. And then when you make the Kiddush, you're supposed to lift the cup off of the table about a tepa, which is about 8 centimeters or so, and then you make the Kiddush. Do you want to give us your rendition of the Kiddush right here in the Starbucks?
Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam, borei pri ha'akef, and
Amen.